In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create goals in Clickup, a fantastic feature that enhances your task management experience. Clickup is often referred to as the everything app for work, and today we're diving into one of its newest features, goal setting. First, you'll want to head over to the Clickup website. Once you're there, look for the login button and give it a click. If you already have a Clickup account, you might have your credentials saved. For those of you who prefer using your Google account, you can click on Sign into Google. Choose your account from the options provided and you're in. Now that you're logged into ClickUp, direct your attention to the left sidebar and select Goals. Once you click on this, you'll see an option that says Set a Goal. Go ahead and select that. It's time to decide what name you'd like to give your goal. Be specific and choose a name that reflects what you aim to achieve, as this will help keep you focused. Next, we're going to assign an owner to this goal. The owner is typically the person responsible for driving the project forward. Click on Choose Owners to select yourself or a colleague. This delegation is crucial for accountability and ensuring that your goals have a designated leader. Security and access to your goals are important, so decide who will have access. You can opt for your entire workspace to see the goal, or keep it private, depending on the sensitivity or scope of the goal. Let's move on to deadlines. Setting a completion date helps create a sense of urgency and keeps your team on track. So be sure to set a date for when the goal should be completed by, giving your team a clear timeline for execution. Now add a description to broaden the context of your goal. This is where you can provide more detailed information about what the goal entails, any specific requirements or additional background that might be useful for your team. After setting the main goal, it's essential to create targets. Think of targets as smaller milestones or checkpoints that lead to achieving the main goal. Click on Create a Target, then proceed to add a name for it. Assign the target to an owner, much like you did with the main goal, to ensure that each part of your goal has a champion responsible for its completion. With goals and targets established, you'll choose the type of target you're working with. Options like numbers, true, false values, currency or specific tasks allow for flexible tracking to best fit the nature of your objectives. And that's it, you're all set up to navigate the world of ClickUp goals. Whether individually or as a team, setting and tracking goals in ClickUp facilitates organized, efficient and visually straightforward project management. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you enjoy achieving your goals with ClickUp's latest feature.